Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Claude App Keeps Crashing on iPhone. So to fix that, first, go to your phone settings. Next, scroll down and go to General. Once you're here, scroll down and go to iPhone Storage. Next, scroll down and look for Claude. Open it and click Offload App. Click Offload App again to confirm the action. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So click Reinstall App, then wait for it to finish installing. So while waiting, you can also restart your iPhone. So a simple restart can clear temporary glitches. You can press and hold the side button and either volume button, then drag the power slider, then wait 30 seconds, then turn your iPhone back on, then open Claude and see if that works. Next is to update iOS. So open Settings, then scroll down and go to General. Next, go to Software Update. So running an older version may cause crashes. So update your iOS. You can also update Claude if an update is available. So Anthropic also recommends using the latest app version if you encounter issues. Next is to free up storage. So low storage can make apps unstable. So go to Settings, then scroll down, then go to General. Next, scroll down and go to iPhone storage. Then check or try to keep at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of free space available. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.